Everybody, what's going on? It is Say Yes to Jess, and I'm going to show you how I made $4,500 trading SPX yesterday, June 20th, 2023. So I'm going to walk you through my before and after of the trade, and then I'm going to include some footage from my Instagram stories because I try to live trade on there just so you can see the psychology of me trading and you can see where I was basically strategizing to get those exit points. So let's get to it. This was the before the trade idea that I sent out to the economy team. Basically, pre-market was around here. So I was looking for puts below, obviously because of market structure, and calls above my 1 hour level and above the trend line and above market structure. This was the trade idea after. I do use 3 different time frames, and feel free to watch my how I trade SPX video. But you can see where I had a really nice clean break. We were below the VWAP, which was really nice. So typically when I see a nice break below the VWAP, I get in right away. Now there was an earlier opportunity to get into this trade once we were respecting the gap and the break of the VWAP occurred a little bit earlier. However, I show my trades results, from the level provided to the team. So there was an earlier opportunity, but it was very, very nice. And you can see where we started to get rejection here. Once I saw that we were getting rejection, it was time to exit that trade. 5 minute confirmed it as well. So I do use a 3 and the 5 minute to enter, and I'm going to show you the footage of me in the actual trade and what was making me want to exit the trade, what made me get out a little bit sooner, and it was utilizing my premium chart. So let's get to it. No reason to close out on SPX right now. We're getting a lot of momentum, which I really do like. What I should have done is put a trailing stop. I'm probably going to make sure I implement that. But as you can see, we are approaching our take profit. Very, very close, very, very close for take profit 1. Let's see. All right, we're getting close to our take profit for SPX. My only concern right here is we're starting to lose a little bit of momentum on the smaller time frame. There's 6 minutes left for the candle to close, so I'm going to see how that goes, but I really like the strength of this push down. So we're going to put our orders to sell at 24, which is where our TP is at. No guarantee it's going to hit it, but it at least give me the opportunity to drag it down just in case if SPX does what it normally does and like to drive me nuts. I am watching this on a higher time frame. If we go down to the 5 minute, you can see where I purchased my contracts right here, 1320. So we're up quite a bit. I just noticed that there's another level right here that this can reject at. So I'm waiting and trying to be patient because we've had quite a bit of momentum. But if I see that we get another candle that's rejecting this area, I'm probably going to exit here at 2187. Again, just being patient. I'm going to go ahead and take my money, you guys. All right, so now you guys know what I did to get into that trade and what prompted me to exit it as well. One thing I did fail to mention was that I actually waited 30 minutes after the market opened. So even though there was an earlier opportunity, I realized that I wanted to wait a bit, and I went and looked at the 30-minute time frame, which I'm going to show you the price action right here so you can see it. It was key indication that the market was going to continue to go down. There was a lot of volume, a lot of open interest. Everything was prompting bearish momentum. So that was like my hardcore confirmation to go ahead and take it in addition to the price action. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.